Hey lovelies, let's start July planning with Universe Speaks to Me card. The universe message is I'm going to pick this one. It's totally okay to let go. No matter when you're watching this video, just consider this as a message for you and let me know if it resonates with your situation in the comment section below. With this, let's plan. You all know I really like using my daily planner from Lauret Blanc. This is the one Dream Believe Achieve. There is a lot of variants and a lot of different cover pages designs. I many cover options. They are really nice. I use it almost every day. And today we are going to plan the month of July in this Lauret Blanc Undated planner. I'm going to share how you can use the planner for your monthly planning. I really like the universe message and this quote as well. Be the energy you want to attract, and for that to be in your energy, you have to let go of something or the other. Here you can write your top goals. Likewise, you can write up to 6 goals. Next, we have skills I want to acquire this year, self-care activities to nurture this year, places I want to visit this year. Let me quickly write something that is out of my mind. Done. Next one is movie/series I want to watch this year and things I want to buy this year. And done. I've already started to watch Dr. Slump, and this is just the one thing that's out of my mind that I wanted to buy. Of course, there is a lot. Now, here comes the monthly planning. All you have to do is just fill out the date and mark some important dates that you want to remember and don't forget. Then you can just mark whatever important things that you would want. And here we have a section for monthly goals. In this, you can write down your monthly goals that you wish to achieve. So first is I wanted to do more movement. I want to walk more, which I'm already doing, but I wanted to be mindful of that. Sleep well and go to sleep early. One video a week. So these are top 3 goals. Might write other goals in this section as well. And in the weekly section, we have the weekly goals, and you can easily create weekly goals based on your monthly goals, so that when you cross off your weekly goals, you can cross off your monthly goals as well, which is really nice. For an example, you can do like this. I have created 3 weekly goals based on the 3 monthly goals that I've shared with you guys just now. And you can also set your to-do list for every single day according to your weekly goals in order to complete that, so that every day you're working towards your weekly goals and also your monthly goals, because when you complete your weekly goals, you will indeed complete your monthly goals as well. Today is Tuesday and I've written a little to-do list over here. You can also time block, just how I did here. I don't like full time blocking. So just written the times for the goals that I have structure. The rest I'm just going to follow my normal to list thing. So you can just be flexible with this, or if you want, you can also use it as a journal. Use this space for journaling as well. And there is habit tracker at the end as well, like a weekly habit tracker. It's a really cool, colorful, aesthetic planner, but also affordable. I will leave this planner link in the description box below for you to check it out. And if you want to know my review of this planner and in detail about this planner, then do click this video on the screen right now where I shared all about this planner in detail. So do click and watch it, and I will see you guys in that video. Until then, be positive and spread positivity. Bye bye.